That kind of trouser. Mercy. Don't go down. Look for trouser like that for his size. Take a moon medium.
Morning comes and I breathe in grace. I
remember okay.
All the battles
look for that one too. And that type. Or this army color. You don't get something like this. You want for another pattern. Open a message.
When the world sets it, you raise me now. My praise belongs to you. Every song, every step.
I want to do that one. Merci. Et mais pas tout. C'est ok, libre.
When the doors all were closing fast, you were smiling, saying, child, the shadow will pass. When my hands were weak and my tears ran dry,
Okay, bye-bye.
you fought for me. Now my
They
storms
hold
are
like this, you go start. You got it to us.
Yeah, I got it. What is that? What is that? What is that, Mama? Gracias. We'll pay for that side. Which one? Okay. That pig meat food always have been a cow meat. I miss that thing the way they cut that time they chop. So they put for bread. I miss that thing.
That round one.
Cow home rabbit home down.
Rabbit.
Just they ask you. You guys make a kind of one. You never check which one it be. The rabbit having a cow. Carry from there. Where are you going to? You want to go meet Papa? No. I want to Papa. Well, see us.
Morning sun on the shelf. Fresh hair clean as well. Phone up, lens on glow. Chin way, tell them what you know. Step by step, you set the pace. Every room looks like your space. Coffee cup, go chase way. You make simple feel away. You don't rush, you ride. Soft smile, sharp eyes. Every move says more when you walk through the door. She way on energy, shine so naturally. She way on energy, that is your lifestyle, see. plans on the screen. Little clips crisp and clean. Skincare clothes, outfit right. Golden hour in the light. Cook up joy, share the plate. Real talk, never feel late. From the lie to the pose. You got grace and you got goals. You don't chase, you lead. Plant that seed. Every post got truth. And a little bit of you. Chihuahua magic. Shine so naturally. Chihuahua magic. That is your lifestyle. See? Fresh drips of gold. Everybody wanna know. Chihuahua magic. You make the good life flow. If the world gets loud, stay calm, stay proud. Keep it warm, keep it real. That's the way you make it feel. No extra, no fake. Just the life you create. Camera, catch that grace. Then you leave that trace. Chihuahua magic. Shine so naturally. Chihuahua magic. That is your lifestyle, see. Fresh drips of glow. Everybody wanna know. Chihuahua magic. You make a good life flow. Chihuahua magic. Keep that same energy. Chihuahua magic. You make it look easy. Fresh drips of glow. Everybody wanna know. Chihuahua magic. You make a good life flow.
Hey guys, good evening. Good evening. Evening. It's evening here, guys. So I just finished making low budget egusi soup. So we don't have African food at home. I don't have crayfish. I don't have fish. I just have egusi, red oil. So in fact, we don't have African food at home. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, I'll be driving to the African shop with hubby to go buy African food. Those are my husband say no be food I cook. So. Na food I cook na.
No, let them say you don't see food shop.
I no think I no see food shop na. I think I cook low budget egusi soup. We don't run out of African food now. We will go by the grace of God. We'll go to African shop to go stock up African food. But if it's normal Italian food, pasta, all those ones are at home. Just that we've not gone to the African shop to shop for African food for a while now. So what I have at home is what I use in making this soup. But notwithstanding, it's still nice. So hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are doing fine. Guys, I'm very, very angry. See why I'm angry. 3 pack wasted. So what my kids take to school as their lunch is I make for them homemade burger. So this is burger meat. We got this meat and actually we didn't check the expiring date. So the meat just got spoiled. And one thing I want to stop doing is buying things in bulk. So we got it too much, we got it a lot. That's why it's spoiled on us. So I'll stop buying in bulk. Since we are not driving, I'll just pick the one I'm going to use for like 2-3 days. Then once it's finished, I'll go back and buy more. I won't buy again. So now this one now is already wasted. I'm going to throw them away. My money don't go. I want to make semo, and that's really it. This morning The video before, I think the clip before this, we went to shop for the kids. It's summer now, and most of the clothes they have is winter clothes. So, and the clothes they used for last summer is no longer their size. So we went to do one or two shopping for them. So that's what we've been doing. Hope you guys are doing okay. If your first time coming across my channel, please don't make it your last. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section. Abeg, ignore my look. Everywhere is hot. If I can pull off this shirt now and make this video, I'll pull it off. Tell you guys the honest truth. If I can pull off this shirt, I'll pull it off. I am so hot. I am sweating. Ha. After I'm done cooking, I'll go and pour cold water on my body, make my head cool. Now this is how my hair will be. Summer, they no dey wear wig, they no dey do hair for summer, because you cannot cope. You cannot cope. Even if you on the fan, on AC, it will still be hot. God help us. I don look forward to summer. Some people say they love summer season. Me no like summer. I prefer winter. And that I know it's so cold, but at least I'm not sweating. I prefer winter. So that just it, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. This one they do for you. I bought pineapple. What I want to use the pineapple for? I never go buy the things. I beg. Let me peel it for the kids. Let's lick it. Let them eat it. Yeah. Can I eat some more? Answer, many of you are eating some more.
Jesus loves Chile, called her by her name, held her through the fire, walked her through the rain. Every breath a story, every scar redeemed. Jesus loves Chile more than she can dream. People see her Sunday smiling. They don't know the night she cried. How a simple song of mercy pulled her back from giving up life. And now she sings it in the kitchen, under traffic, under strain. Abba, Father, I am yours, and hope comes rushing in again. Jesus loves Chinway, called her by her name, held her through the fire, walked her through the rain.
Bring it away.
Every story, every scar redeemed. Jesus loves Chinway more than she can dream. When the dark says you're forgotten, heaven answers you belong. When her heart feels cracked and silent, he's the one who gives her song. Every heartbeat, every moment, wrapped in mercy, wrapped
Go now, downstairs.
Stop telling people around with that.